Welcome back to inthewild.com.au. It snowed down to about the level of Sheffield last night, which is about 400 metres. So we've come to the coast to avoid the snow and sleet. We're doing the Larooma Track, which takes us out to the Carbuncle and Point Sorell. So you come to the end of the Hawley Beach Road, park, and then it's to the beach from there. Sooty oyster catcher just down here. That might even provide a nice reflection. So we'll sneak in behind the rocks and see if we can get a photograph. Lovely pied oyster catchers just down here and some rocks to use as cover. So again, we'll try and sort of move down in and get some photos. Nice young or female Tasmanian pattymellen just hiding down in there. I can't get right to ground level, but I've got a good clean shot right from this angle. Everything along here seems to be really nervous, whether it's a combination of the wind, the people, dogs being let to run through here that aren't meant to, but I'm surprised just how nervous the wildlife is. Considering that a place like Cradle Mountain gets probably 100,000 times more people a year to visit, everything is much more confident. managed to get it eye level that time with a bit cleaner foreground and background, so it's probably going to end up being a better shot. Bizarrely, there's about 20 paddymellons just hiding in that one section of Melaleuca. They are solitary, but I've never seen them this tolerant of each other. It's just unusual behaviour, but it is very, very windy. Previous video we did at Narandapoo bird height. It's just over there. That's Baker's Beach. That section through there, that's about where the Narandapoo Visitor Centre is. So we're across the river, across the Rubicon River, I believe it is, on the Point Sorell side. Up in this section here, it's the Carbuncle. Up in this section here, it's the Carbuncle. It's a pretty famous fishing spot through there. Having grown up out here, I have never seen any evidence of grey nurse sharks being there, but rumour has it they are quite common off this section in Bass Strait. Down in over there, you can sort of see them. There's a Pacific gull and two sooty oyster catchers. Managed to sneak in and get some great shots. Really sort of grey hue to the sand, and then particularly the Pacific gull just popped. I'm quite happy with them. Because as we were walking along the track, we started to see lots of poo, lots of feces, and then there's a latrine site here, and it continues right up in underneath there. They're penguin burrows. They're obviously nesting or sort of starting to find burrows in the area, which is cool. And it probably explains why the path stops just around the corner now, where it used to head all the way around. It's trying to protect these sensitive nesting sites for little or fairy penguins. Guys, that's really cool. I'm not going to disturb them, but it's really nice to know that they're there, and I'll just put the camera down in the entrance and see what we can see. Up on the mountains all night and this morning, and the weather's starting to change, so we're going to turn around and get out of here now. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share it around. If you want to check out some of my photos, go to instagram.com/inthewild.com.au. Go to the website inthewild.com.au to check out past and present projects and my portfolio, and the ability to see some commercial documentaries that are filmed, and buy some prints if you so desire. If you want to support the channel, go to super thanks or buymeacoffee.com/inthewild.com.au. Basically, you can find me anywhere with inthewild.com.au. Guys, as I said, the weather's coming in. We're going to get out of here now. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time in the wild.